How to master trading in 1 month or less. Mastering trading in 1 month or less is a goal many aspiring traders set. Although the prospect of rapid mastery may seem appealing, the reality of trading is far more nuanced. Did you know that 80% of day traders quit within the first 2 years? Additionally, more than 90% of traders lose money in the stock market. These sobering statistics highlight the risks involved in attempting to master trading in such a short period. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. First and foremost, mastering trading in 1 month is an ambitious task that requires focused dedication and discipline. Traders must commit to learning the fundamentals, understanding technical analysis, and adopting a consistent trading strategy. Time management is crucial, and the 1 month goal leaves little room for error. To start, traders should immerse themselves in the core concepts of trading. This includes reading books, taking online courses, and watching tutorials from experienced traders. Platforms like YouTube, Reddit, and Quora are filled with helpful tips and strategies, but they also contain misinformation, so it is important to verify the credibility of sources. Simultaneously, traders must understand that mastering technical analysis is vital to success. Candlestick charts, moving averages, and indicators like the relative strength in RSI are essential tools for predicting market trends. However, these tools require time to learn and master. In a month, traders can gain a basic understanding, but proficiency takes much longer. Another key to rapid learning is focusing on one market or trading instrument. Whether it is Forex, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, specializing allows traders to understand market nuances and reduce the noise of information overload. One of the main advantages of attempting to master trading in a month is the forced discipline and focus. Traders must prioritize learning, practice in a demo account, and quickly adapt strategies. The high intensity can lead to rapid learning, and by limiting the time frame, it pushes traders to take immediate action. However, the downside is that this limited time frame does not allow for natural market fluctuations or extended periods of trial and error. Markets can behave irrationally, and mastering trading requires understanding how to manage losses and volatility. In 1 month, the psychological resilience needed to handle consecutive losses may not be fully developed. Moreover, risk management is a critical aspect often overlooked in short-term trading goals. Many traders in a hurry to succeed take on more risk than they can afford, leading to devastating losses. Risking more than 1 to 2% of capital on any single trade can wipe out an account in a few bad trades. Overtrading, a common result of trying to achieve too much too soon, exacerbates this issue. Another disadvantage is the misconception that successful trading is purely about technical skills. Emotional control is equally important. Mastering trading psychology, controlling fear and greed, remaining calm under pressure, and maintaining objectivity is often a longer journey than learning the technical aspects. In 1 month, most traders barely scratch the surface of mastering their emotions, which is critical for long-term success. In conclusion, while it is possible to make significant progress in understanding trading in 1 month, true mastery requires consistent effort, learning from mistakes, and developing emotional resilience over time. The intense learning period can yield short-term gains, but sustainable success often requires more than just technical expertise. It involves the right mindset, emotional control, and solid risk management practices. The journey toward mastery, in reality, is more about patience and persistence than rushing through a crash course. Attempting to master trading in 1 month may provide a strong foundation, but for most traders, long-term success comes from steady and incremental improvement.